Good afternoon, students. In our previous class, we have talked about MS Access 2010 interface, in which we have talked about various things that MS Access window has. And to start MS Access, first we will click on Start option and All Programs, and we will go to Microsoft Office. Students, right now I am using Windows 8, that's why this is a different from Windows 7. Okay, so we will click on Microsoft Access 2010. Alright, this window will appear, from where you can select your database type. Okay, there are few available templates is the easiest way to create a table. Templates are ready to use database objects that contain various types of tables, queries, forms, etc. Okay, they are needed to perform specific tasks and help you to speed up the database creation process. So these templates allow you to just enter the data. You don't have to make all the fields that are necessary for your table. Okay, but if you are creating a blank database, then you have to create all the fields and you have to name it also. Okay, so first of all I will tell you how to create a sample templates. Okay, creating database using templates. So I will just either I can double click on that or single click on that, and we can this option will come: asset web database, contact web database, faculty, teachers, task. Many templates are available here. So I will click on students, and I can select this templates by double clicking or just one click and create, and click on create. You can change its file name also. You can select any name whichever you want, otherwise it will be like students 1. If you are creating another one with the same templates, then it will be students 2. Okay, after that click on create option. Alright, so here this template will appear, where all the fields are given, like ID, first name, last name, email address, business phone, company, and job title. All the you just have to fill the details. For example, if I can write only phone number here. Okay, nothing else I can write. Alright, after this I will go to file tab and click on new. So right now I was using template for making my database. Now I will use blank database. Okay, so I will just double click on this and this window will appear. We have talked about this window in our previous class also. Okay, so see, there is no field. You have to write or make table for your anything you want to add here, like name, address, class, father's name, phone number, email address, pin code, anything. Okay, so for that you have to just select what you want. You want the data in text form, number, currency, date, anything. There are many options here. Okay, and you will rename this field also. Okay, first I will just select text. See here, field 1 is given. By default it will field 1, field 2, like that, but we will not keep it like this. And what we will do, we will just right click on that, and various options are here. We will just click on rename field, and we will rename this field 1 as name. Okay, Similarly, we can add more fields, okay, and we can name it also, okay. We can add as much as fields we want and we will just enter our data in it, okay. I have added 5 more fields apart from the name field, and I can change its name also. Rename field, I will just enter class, and here I will just enter address, then phone number. It's up to you. You can write, make any field whichever you want for a particular data, okay.